look into your eyes. Hey loves, we're gonna get started by sanitizing our hands. We're just using this Equate brand hand sanitizer, and we are going to glove up with latex-free gloves that I purchased from Amazon. They're super lightweight and they don't irritate your skin, so that's why I like these. And we all know that working with lip gloss and all the ingredients can be super messy. And so yeah, you want to make sure that you glove up, and when you're selling products, you got to keep it sanitary for your customers, okay? So this is about 2 to 2.5 cups of No Problema lip gloss base, and we're going to go in with our coconut oil, okay? We're going to do about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then we're going to go in with our vitamin E. We're going to use about a dropper full of vitamin E, just one. Drop that in just like that right there. Bam. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our grapeseed oil. We don't want to make this base too yellow, so we're only going to add in 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Okay, you heard me? So yeah, that's what we're doing. Now we're going to add in our polyisobutene for making cosmetics. Sometimes I do use hydrogenated polyisobutene, the liquid form, but we're just going to go in and drop in a teaspoon and another teaspoon, so a total of 2 teaspoons. As you can see, it's super thick. She thick. Okay. I really like this one though. I like the consistency of it. The polyisobutene 1200 is nice, but we're going to take this spoon right here that we got from Dollar Tree and just gently stir. We don't want to go crazy. We're not trying to have everything all over the table and out the bowl. We don't want to waste products, so we don't want to stir like a maniac. So yeah, take your time with this and just stir slowly, and you're going to see that the texture and consistency of the gloss base is going to start to finally look like the way that it should be looking, okay? We don't want it too thick, but we want it to be able to have some slip and actually stick to the lips. And since this is for a lip gloss kit that one of our angel niece's ordered, we got to make this right. We're going to use the 60 ml syringe to fill our 8-ounce gloss bags. The kits, the Boss Up lip gloss starter kits, come with 2 8-ounce bags of ready to go gloss base. And yeah, y'all, even though this is not super thick, it's not super duper thick, it takes some muscle, okay? It takes muscle to draw it up into the syringe. So, and plus it's actually kind of slippery, so you want to make sure that you don't dip your hand too far down in there, unless you're gonna have a hot mess on your hands and you'll have to get a whole new pair of gloves, and you don't want that. But anyway, so just take your time, don't rush it. It's a process, trust the process. We're gonna take a tissue and wipe the end of the syringe off, because when we insert it into the bag, we don't want to get product all over the bag. We want to try to avoid that if possible, even though some does tend to kind of ooze out towards the end when it gets full, because we ain't stingy, honey. We make sure we give in 8 ounces or a little over 8 ounces of product. Yeah, so we're going to insert the tip of the syringe into the bag, and we're going to slowly push the gloss base into the bag from the syringe. Y'all see it's going in the bag slowly. And then once you put it in there, you're going to see how I'm just take my fingers and I'm going to press down. You want to make sure that we push the gloss base all the way down to the bottom, so that you don't create all those ugly, big, nasty, big bubbles, because yeah, those are annoying, and sometimes they impact the way the bag feels, especially towards the end. We're filling up the syringe yet again another time, and I try to go all the way to 60. So that's why I go slow, because you don't want to yank the whole back end of the syringe out and make a huge mess. This is already messy enough, and that's why I keep saying messy, messy, messy. So yeah, you just wipe that off again and we repeat. So we're going to insert again. We're going to get this syringe emptied, get all of this gloss base into the bag, and we're going to again push it down towards the bottom of the bag and repeat. Let y'all vibe to a little music while I do this, and when we get to the next step, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so we are to that point now that we are going to get this scale right here, and it's time to weigh this baby. We're gonna put her on the scale and weigh her, and let's see. So about 5.1 ounces, and so yeah, we got to get up to 8 ounces. So we're gonna draw up some more into our syringe, and we are going to wipe again the tip of the syringe, insert, put a little bit more, and we are trying to get to 8 ounces. And so yeah, that's why it's important to weigh, because sometimes it looks like the bag is full, and it could be like a bubble or something in there that's causing it to look like that, but it's really not enough product and your customers will not be happy. So yeah, but still not enough. We got to add a little bit more gloss base. So we're going to get a little bit more in our syringe, and you just keep doing this until you see that it's enough, okay? When you get towards the end of filling up the bag, it will ooze just a little bit, so be ready to clean that up. So we did that. So we're just putting it back on again. And yeah, a little bit over 8 ounces, just a tad bit over. But yeah, so just gonna screw on the cap just like that. It's super easy. And now we gotta clean these girls. We got both bags full. I didn't make y'all sit for the second one, but y'all get the gist. We're gonna spray it. This Dawn Power Wash is bomb. Y'all use this, okay? And thank me later, but use this when you clean, you know, all your instruments, you know, anything that you use to make your gloss, your bowls and so forth, your spoons. If you don't use disposable and you need to wash stuff, this is really good. But I do go in with alcohol after the fact. But I keep my gloves on and, you know, just rub it around like that rather than let it soak in the sink, you know. But I use hot water, by the way. But we're taking this isopropyl alcohol, and I believe this is about a 91% alcohol. But that's fine just for this, because we're just trying to make it not sticky, okay? Just removing the residue from the bag to make sure when you stick your little pretty stickers on that it sticks. And that's what's important, you know, getting the job done. You want to make sure you dry these off really good. Sometimes I let things air dry, but these are stickers we're using for our ready to go gloss base, and we're gonna just pop another one on this chica right here. Okay, they giving, honey. Y'all see? So this is what our Boss Up lip gloss starter kits look like. They come with the cute little decals, the little fruits, and a mask. Yes, yes. They come with a mask. And also you get 3 different color glitters. Yep, bling bling. Bling bling, baby. And we also put in our mica powder, which I'm reaching for right now. You get 3 different mica powders as well. Yep, 3 beautiful colors, and these are 3 60 ml syringes. And that right there is our flavoring oil that we include. So flavoring oil, you get 2 flavoring oils. And this right here, of course, you get your gloss tubes. Both gloss tubes and caps are in this organza bag. And we have little cute pink and white rose petals in the bottom. Isn't it cute? She is super cute. So yeah, Boss Babes, if you're looking to start your business, if you have not already started, or if you know somebody looking to start a business, this lip gloss kit is an excellent way to boss up without breaking the bank. And guess what? Your girl includes 2 8-ounce bags. What? Yes, you heard me right. 2 8-ounce bags of ready to go gloss base. Okay, comes in this kit. A lot of kits only come with 1. And I do have the gloss base available separately if you would like to just order the gloss base. Okay? So yeah, we're getting this kit ready to go to our wonderful Angel Nista, and we're super excited. Always love it when y'all take initiative to start y'all businesses. It's so exciting. Yes. Boss Bays on the way. Boss Bays in the making. So yeah, hopefully y'all found this video helpful and you enjoyed it. Forgot to show y'all, you also get pipettes. So yeah, those also go in the kit too. So yeah, you get all of the above in the kit. So I really appreciate y'all watching. Please follow your girl on Instagram. My business Instagram is lovely.angelshop and lovely angel lady, all one word, for my content creator Instagram. And I'm also on TikTok as lovely angel shop, all one word. All right, but yeah, hopefully y'all found this video helpful. We're about to get this packaged up and ready to ship tomorrow. So yeah, if you have any questions, reach out to your girl. I don't mind answering them, and we always throw in goodies. But what I'm doing right here, I'm just gonna tape up the end of the box so that it's secure, and I do ship it in a way that it protects the box. Okay, I actually have to fold and put these boxes together, but y'all be blessed. Your girl Elia loves you. Have a good one. Later.